Think about it. The Malaysian government explicitly blocked fully imported EV from being sold under 100,000 to protect our local car makers. So how on earth this foreign EV sitting here with a price tag that undercuts a premium Perodua MyV? 3 words: CKD.
Okay, CKD or completely knocked down means a car is shipped as a box of unassembled parts, like a giant logo set, to be built locally, and the benefit is massive tax saving that makes the car cheaper to buy.
Instead of waiting around, TQ Wuling partnered with Tanchong Motor Assemblies to build this car locally right in Segambut. They hacked the system, skipped the floor price, and created the cheapest highway legal EV in Malaysia. Today we are going to look at whether this cheap EV is a genuine daily driver miracle or the national car brand should be worried. Walking around the Wuling booth at Klims, you literally cannot miss their marketing genius. To celebrate the show, they didn't just bring their stock cars, they brought the Bingo Meow, which is wrapped in literal, touchable fake fur, complete with cat ears, whiskers, and a tail at the back. And right next to it, it is the Batik variant, showcasing a stunning modern Malaysia and cultural art wrap. It is cute, it is retro, it is unshamedly aiming for the Gen Z and urban commuters who want something completely different. But behind the crazy wraps, the actual car is a practical B-segment city hatchback. Size-wise, it's slightly smaller than a BYD Dolphin or a Proton Iris, sitting perfectly in that sweet spot for navigating tight KL traffic and narrow condo parking bays. No, it's not going to win a drag race against Tesla. Top speed maxes out around 130 km per hour, but 150 Newton meters of instant electric torque means pulling away from traffic lights in the city driving feels incredibly punchy. Woo! Step inside and this is where Wuling completely subverts expectation for a budget car. Look at this dashboard. You get dual 10.25-inch displays for your instrument cluster and your infotainment system. This is designed as a 4-seater, but the legroom at the back is surprisingly deep. Top the tailgate and the trunk has a massive drop-down floor layout providing up to 790 liters of space when you fold the rear seats flat. It also features removable deep dish storage bin underneath the floor trunk to keep your groceries from sliding around. So, is the Wuling Bingo EV a flawless victory? Not quite. It lacks automated emergency braking system, even though they just updated the car to include blind spot information system as standard. But when your monthly installment starts from just 625 a month, you are looking at a vehicle that fundamentally changes the accessibility of electric car in Malaysia. It undercuts the national EV offerings, bypasses import restrictions, and deliver a highly practical city runabout. Would you drop 62k on this over a MyV or Axia?